Section 4. Black Box Metasploit Penetration Testing. In this section, we will learn how to conduct black box testing from footprinting stage until advanced exploitation. Footprinting and enumeration. Black box testing requires no prior knowledge about targeted network or application. It helps attackers to achieve out-of-the-box techniques. During penetration testing, attackers only provided with a targeted IP address. The process of testing starts from footprinting until exploitation and post-exploitation in some cases. It helps to verify integrity and reduce risks. During footprinting stage, attacker must start gathering information, starting from the Who is Online information databases. It includes also email harvesting, DNS enumeration, and subdomain scanning. While gathering information, make sure to explore every piece of information you found. Metasploit provides the good stuff for that. So let's start with DNS enumeration. In Metasploit, we type use, auxiliary, and then the name of the model. And then we type show options to explore the required options that we would like to fill. The first thing we have to do is to specify the targeted domain address we would like to enumerate. In my case, I have used my own website. After that, we hit run. As you can see, the auxiliary model has successfully retrieved all the DNS values found. So let's start to extend our process of gathering information using subdomain brute forcing. So first we have to specify the path of the word list we would like to use for brute force. And then after that we have to put the threads to 30 to make it the process faster. And to enable option for brute forcing, we have to set the value for the enum PRT to true. After that, we hit exploit. As you can see, it retrieved the same information, but also found some domains with brute forcing. Let's try to look for more information using deeply scanning techniques. Since black box testing is about achieving out-of-the-box techniques, let's try to dig into targeted site. Many developers accidentally leave some juicy information in some sections of the page tags. So let's try to look for this information. So as you can see, we have found some entry value to a hidden subdomain. Let's copy that and visit it in the browser to see. That's great. I think that we have found our treasure. Drupal CMS is known for so many common attacks. Let's try to brute force directories to look for some interesting information. In my case, I'm going to use a tool called DRP. The tool found some of the application directories. Let's navigate to these directories and files. I think that there is a directory listing here that helps us actually to understand the structure more. Let's also read the robots file to see if there is some of disallowed folders. I think that we have to know the version of the specific folder through blog info. So we have to download the file and read it using cat. So let's search if there is some exploits available to this Drupal version using search exploit. I think that there is some exploits available to this version of Drupal. Let's search if there is any exploit models available through Metasploit. So in Metasploit, we type search and then the title of the vulnerability. Perfect.